Hi, my name is Bree, and I made a basic flat loop tutorial to show some friends how to start trick roping. I use Samson spot cord, which I got from westernstageprops.com. First, I'm going to demonstrate the flat loop. Notice the setup and notice the size of the loop. I'm using a 15-foot rope. The small loop is called the Honda. You can see that I taped 2 pennies here to add weight. The circle is called the loop, and the end of the rope is called the spoke. Thread the end through the Honda. Keep the 2 sides separated by your fingers. Pull the spoke to be about arm's length. Then drop the Honda and pick up the other side. Now you're ready to spin the rope. The right hand is going to trace out a large circle. Cast out counterclockwise. Release the loop, but hold on to the end. Use the left hand to hold the loop open during this process. There are 2 important actions to make the entire thing work. 1. Keep your arms straight. You don't need large arm movements. Otherwise, it will cause the rope to crash into you. You need a large arm movement to begin the flat loop, but not to sustain it. 2. You must actively spin the rope end to prevent kinks. If you look closely, I am rotating the rope in my hand. I'm using the thumb to guide the rope around through my fingers. Make sure your hand is in the correct orientation. To check, make sure you are in a thumbs down position. Let's recap. Thread the loop through the Honda. Measure out an arm's length. Drop the Honda and pick up the other side. Swing the rope out and begin rotating with small arm movements. Remember to turn the end using the thumb as a guide. Keep your arm relatively straight. Keep practicing because you're going to mess up a lot. Once you get the hang of it, you'll notice the diameter of the loop changes. You can control the diameter by turning the rope faster or slower. If the loop is collapsing, spin faster. Here, the rope goes wonky and starts collapsing. I rotate it faster and then slow when it stabilizes. Once you've got a solid flat loop, practice transferring it to the other hand. This will come in handy when you want to learn tricks.